Okay, so today I will be presenting you about machine learning basics. So first we look at the outline of the presentation. This presentation will include explain machine learning, describe the three categories of machine learning algorithms, what is deep learning, and describe the machine learning pipeline phases. So, what is machine learning? Machine learning is the concept that a computer program can learn and adapt to new data without human interference. So, here it means uh, it is based on algorithms that can learn from data without relying on rule-based programming. Simply, it is the process of teaching a computer system how to make accurate predictions when we insert data. Next, AWS Machine Learning Service. Amazon Machine Learning is a robust cloud-based service that makes it easy for developers of all skill levels to use machine learning technology. So, basically, Amazon Machine Learning provides visualization tools and wizards that guide us through the process of creating machine learning models without having to learn complex machine learning algorithms or technology. Once our models are ready, Amazon Machine Learning makes it easy to obtain predictions of our application using simple APIs. So without having to implement custom prediction generated code, we can use this. Um, Next is introduction to machine learning. First, I will take a small example on how this machine learning works. So assume that there's a boy called Billy. So Billy wants to buy a car. He tried to calculate how much he needs to save monthly for that. So he went over dozens of ads on the internet and learned that new cars are around $20,000 and used cars are around $9,000 and 2 year old are $80,000 and so on Billy. So he start to seeing a pattern here. So the car prices reduce on its age and drops $1,000 every year, but it won't get lower than 10,000. So there's a pattern here. So in machine learning terms, Billy invented the regression. That's a separate concept. I will talk about it later. And he predicted the value based on known historical data, and they have different manufacturing dates, dozen of options, technical conditions, and no one knows how many more hidden factors are there. So Billy can't keep all that data in his mind while calculating the price. So this is when the machine learning comes. So we can go to the computational way here. We can provide the machine some data and ask it to find all the hidden patterns related to price. So the most exciting thing is that the machine copes with this task much better than a real person does when carefully analyzing all the dependencies in their mind. Uh, so now machine learning powers many of the services we use today. Most of the recommendation systems like those on Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, engine like Google, social media feeds like Facebook and Twitter also uses this machine learning, and also the voice assistant like Siri and Alexa also uses this technology. These machine learning algorithms are use statistics to find patterns in massive amount of data. And data here it means a lot of things like numbers, words, images, clicks, what you have. If it can be digitally stored, it can be fed into a machine learning algorithm. So in all those instances I mentioned above, each platform is collecting as much as data as possible, and what type of videos you are watching, what links you are clicking, and what status you are reaching to, and using a machine learning to make a highly educated guess about what you might want next. Simply, this process is quite basic. Mm, uh, Find the pattern, apply the pattern, and uh, we can go with that. And there are if I talk about the benefit, here are some top benefit which make machine learning best for business.